Yo, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you that in this old 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch, still this Valorant game is still running on this MacBook. So it's currently, as you can see, it's 6th January 2024, still working. As you can see, it's kind of messy with this USB. I am using this external hard disk and installed by this playing by this hard disk. Alright guys, so let me just start this game. Alright, so as you know that I have installed this Windows 10 via bootcamp. Alright guys, so if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, why are you dancing, man? Alright guys, so let's just see how it works. Perfectly, it will work. As you know, before my gaming PC I was just playing on this laptop MacBook Pro. Alright guys, so let's just see. I think in the new Silicon Mac, I mean the M1 Mac, M2 Mac, this game will work, but no, this won't work because the anti-cheat doesn't allow it. I think I still don't know if they have found the solution how to play it. As you can see, it started. So let me just play the custom only for. Let me just show you the settings. As you know, the same settings, just a little bit closer. Same setting as you can see, full resolution and all. Graphics quality low. I think you can just set it to the high also, but it won't work in stable way. So let's just play this custom game. Alright guys.
Enemies in our way?
Alright guys, so as you can see,
If they like getting hit by lightning.
working very nice, not bad for this MacBook Pro. As you can see, very good FPS. I think around 60 FPS is giving. Very good, right? Still working on this MacBook Pro 2020. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so peace out.